obviously it's not the case that every instance of AI is bad or whatever, right?
Yeah.
But like text-based AI does just basically have what's called the hallucination problem, the fact that it will just like make stuff up. And that's partly because of how the models are built, right? They're like next word prediction machines. They're basically very fancy autocomplete. So they have to guess by their very nature. A lot of the problems, including the social problems we have with AI, is just this misunderstanding of what it is. That if a toddler had to see 60 million images of a cat in order to correctly identify a cat, you would call that toddler dumb, right? Like, but that is what AI has to do. Like you have to feed it just an immense amount of data to do the simplest things.
Would the argument be like, well, when we show them 8 billion pictures of cats?
Yeah. They think intelligence is just data at scale, right? So the more data you have, then we'll get more and more and more intelligent, and then we'll magically hit this threshold that is super intelligence, or what they sometimes called artificial superintelligence, ASI, where suddenly the machine will wake up and it will solve all our problems. You know, they're gobbling up tons of data, creating all these data centers, sucking the deserts dry, et cetera. How they justify that is that they say, at a certain point, if we get enough power and enough compute and enough data, the machine is going to become super intelligent, and then it's going to solve all of these energy problems so that it will make itself much more efficient, and it'll solve climate change, and it'll solve X, Y, and Z, and we'll live forever. That is their sales pitch, right? Is that it's magic beans.